Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing another order from Hobbii. You get to see my kitchen table too. It's dirty, there's stuff all over it. We've got, we've got the Star Wars and the Harry Potter Advent calendars. One is mine and one is my husband's. Yeah. So anyway, this is where I film, is my kitchen table. I don't have a crochet room, so my son just shot me with a Nerf gun. Isn't that awesome? Alright, so let's go ahead and open this order up. I don't. Well, that's not nice to shoot me in the face with a Nerf gun.
I didn't hit you in the face today.
Okay, well now everyone knows that you shoot me with Nerf guns. Yay. There.
Okay.
All right, so let's open this up. Oh, okay, no, I didn't cut any yarn. Okay, that's good. So let's start with these. These are Starlight Soft, 86% acrylic, 14% reflective polyester.
Yarn.
Yes, Logan, yarn. More yarn.
Yeah.
So these have little silver strands in them. Anyway, so I bought, I'm not even sure what the color is. I'll have to look online. This color is called Curry.
Baby poop yellow.
My son thinks it's baby poop yellow. I don't think so. I've had 2 kids.
It's baby poop yellow.
This does not look like baby poop yellow. Anyway, this is Curry. Alright, so I bought 2 skeins of those. Each skein has 70 yards. Alright, so then I bought two skeins of the Starlight Soft in the colorway Wine. And so I'm gonna put these two together somehow. Haven't decided which stitches I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna make a scarf. And does anyone know what this scarf will represent? No. Gryffindor! No. Yes, Gryffindor. So I'm gonna make a Gryffindor inspired scarf with these colors. Alright, so that's that. I'm keeping those. Alright, I also bought, mostly because I like the colors, these 2 skeins or cakes of cotton yarn. We've got purple and black and red and black.
There's some purple in there too, in the red one.
Well, it's not entirely purple, but yeah, when it changes from the red to the black. My son got me distracted. All right, so each of these have 874 yards. And so I'm not really sure what I'm going to make with these. They may just end up in my yarn collection to be never to be used, or maybe they will be used. I don't know.
Video idea.
Okay, video idea. This could be good. What does the 14-year-old think I should make a video of?
You're going to count how many yards of yarn you have.
Okay. I could do that one day.
We have a yard ruler thingy, right? The little wheel stick.
You know what else I could do, right?
Hmm.
Is look on the packages that actually have packages and add them up. It's called mathematics.
The yardstick's easier. Not the yardstick, the yardstick.
Or for people in I don't know if it's just in Europe and Britain, but it's called maths.
It's called maths?
Maths.
Not mathematics.
Well, I don't know, maybe. But it's called...
just like the regular name. People just call it math.
Well, yes, here in America, where we butcher the English language, it's called math.
I thought it was mathematics, though.
Well, it is. Or arithmetic.
Math is math.
Math is math. Math is maths.
Why can't we all just agree on one thing that's simple?
Because we don't agree.
That's why we had the
We
First
don't
and
even
Second
use...
World War and the Civil War.
Okay. Can you go away now? I think I'm going to have to edit this video.
Why?
Because...
Well, this is perfectly fine. I mean, it's going on for a
Here.
long time.
Here we go. This is Logan.
Kool-Aid shirt.
Yes, and your Kool-Aid shirt. Okay. Anyway, so if it's not my 5-year-old daughter, it's my 14-year-old son. Awesome. All right, so we have those.
I'm better for content, though.
You're... It's a family-friendly show.
It is.
Okay, so I got my candy from Hobbii or Hobbii. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Do you want candy?
Candy.
Candy. I won't eat it.
That's Hobbii.
Hobbii. I don't know. It's from Denmark.
If it was Hobbii, it would have it easy. Or just Hobe.
I'm missing something from my order. That's not good. Is there a hole? No, there's no hole. There was a hole. Maybe. I don't know. This is not good. It looks like there was a hole. Maybe not. I don't know. But I'm missing something from my order. Gosh darn it. And it's the thing I really, really, really wanted. Did it say that it shipped? Because if it says that it shipped and I didn't get it, I'm going to be mad. It says everything delivered. Oops, sorry. Here we go. It says everything delivered. And I did not get my 6mm crochet hook that lights up. Well, poop. Oh, hey, look. The colorways are on here. Well, I didn't even get my... They must have fallen out. The bag must have really ripped. Because it's taped up right here. I was also supposed to get a free digital stitch counter. And I didn't get that either.
How do you do a digital stitch? Is that like a hook?
No, it's...
Every hook has like a little...
No, I think you click a button or something. I don't know. Every
Okay.
time you... Yeah.
Like,
Or
you
row
have it
counter or
like
whatever.
right here, there's a little... You know, like that little thermometer screen thing? Like, have that right there and then a button for under thumb.
Mm.
You hook and you...
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, well... Poop. And if there was a hole in the bag, those two items are small enough that they would have fallen out. Well. I'll have to email them and see what they say. Okay, so the last thing in the bag was the Christmas Universe yarn, and it is 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. Yeah. So we have Christmas yarn. I don't know what I'm going to make with it, but there are 4 cakes of these, balls of these, skeins of these, at 100 grams a piece. I don't know what that is in yards. Let's see, that's 505 yards a piece. So if you think this is cool, if you would love to have some Christmas yarn, watch for my next video. Because I think I'm going to be giving this away in the December giveaway. Actually, I am, because that's why I bought it. I bought it specifically to give it away. No, I'm not going to separate them. I'm going to send the whole this. I'm going to send...
I'm not separating. I'm just saying I'm giving out yarn.
I'm giving out yarn, yes. The December giveaway. And then after the December giveaway,
do a summer giveaway. Summer themed yarn.
Summer themed yarn.
Or spring.
In December.
No, after December.
Okay, but it's not, but, okay.
Do that.
This video just went right off yeah.
It's just me and you talking.
It is you and me talking. My poor subscribers. I will post this, but my poor subscribers.
You're going to post it?
I'll post it.
Okay. You post that.
I will.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay.
You can stop now.
No, it's fun. Okay, so watch for this to be given away in the December giveaway. I will go put these two in my yarn stash. I really like purple and black and red and black. I don't know. I have to think about what to make with these things. I will make a tutorial for the Harry Potter inspired Gryffindor scarf as soon as I figure out what stitch I want to use to make it. And thank you for watching this video. Yeah.
Video.
Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can...
watch more videos.
This is not going well.
No.
I'm gonna have to redo it.
If you don't like the video, just hit the like button. Do you? Outros are dumb.
What?
Intros are dumb. Just make video. Do video.
Okay, here's what I'm gonna title
And
this.
force people to watch video.
Unbagging of Hobbii yarn. Uncut.
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 Raw footage.
Raw footage. It's good stuff.
Okay, anyway, hit the like button or the dislike button, but I prefer the like button.
Upside down like button.
Or hit the upside down like button. Subscribe to this video for more unboxings, vlogs, crochet tutorials, and stay tuned for our December giveaway.
You hit the bell if you want to be notified for that stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, and hit the bell
That's
to be
the only way you're gonna
notified
know.
for that
Otherwise,
stuff.
You'll just see like a little blue dot next to the channel thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And then like who's gonna really check that? It's just like the numbers on the inbox just drives people crazy, so that's what makes them check that, right? It drives me nuts, so I just check that and go through everything just to get rid of the numbers on it.
Okay. Y'all have a great day now.
Yeah.